Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation solution from here. And what we have here, this follows when we have a times a, which can be written as a square. Same thing multiplying and raised as a raised to power x or square, then equals to 80 from here. And also, this follows when we have a raised to power m or raised to power n. This same thing as a raised to power mn. This power multiplies, we have 8 raised to power 2x equals to 80 from here. The next step, we take the log on both sides. That is, here we have log 8 raised to power 2x equals to log 80 on this side. The next step here, we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, is same thing as p log m. This here, we have 2x log 8 equals to log 80 from here. The next step here, divide both sides by log 8. That is, divide this side by log 8. Also, divide this side by log 8. That is, here log 8 cancelled each other, and we have 2x equals to log 80 over log 8. The next step here, 80 can be written as 8 times 10. And what we have becomes 2x equals to log 8 times 10 over log 8. Then, this also follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, we can write this as log a plus log b, which implies this becomes 2x equals to log 8 plus log 10 over log 8. Then here, separate this into two fractions. We have 2x equals to log 8 over log 8 plus log 10 over log 8. Then here we have log 8 cancelled each other, one left here, which implies 2x equals to 1 plus log 10 over log 8. Then next step here, we can write 10 as 2 times 5. This what we have becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 times 5 over log 8. That is, this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 plus log 5 over log 8. That is, we separate this into two fractions, and we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 over log 8 plus log 5 over log 8. Then, next step here, we can write 8 as 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 raised to power 3. Then what we have here becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 over log 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 over log 2 raised to power 3. When we apply the power law of logarithm, 3 comes here and also here, and we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 over 3 log 2 plus log 5 over 3 log 2. This here, log 2 cancelled each other. We have 2x equals to 1 plus 1 over 3, then plus here we have 1 over 3 times log 5 over log 2. That is, next step here we have 2x equals to 1 plus 1 over 3 can be written as 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 times log 5 over log 2. Then, next step here, we apply change of base when we have log A over log B. This same thing as log A to base B. That is, here we have 2x equals to 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2. Then here we bring this together as one fraction. We have 2x equals to the LCM here, that's 3. Here we still have 4 plus log 5 base 2. Then multiply both side by 1 over 2. Multiply this side by 1 over 2. So multiply this side by 1 over 2. Here 2 cancel each other. We have x equals to 4 plus log 5 base 2 over 3 times 2 here, that's 6. That is, we have the value of x in this problem. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. This is substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 4 plus log 5 base 2 all over 6. Then what we have here becomes 8 raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2 all over 6 times also 8 raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2 all over 6. Is it equals to 80 on this side? The same base multiplying here, when we have a raised to power m times a raised to power also same power m, this same thing as a raised to power m plus m, that's 2m. This here we have 8 raised to power 2 times 4 plus log 5 base 2 all over 6. Is it equals to 80 on this side? Then here, this power multiplies 2 here 1 and 2 here 3. And we have 8 raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3. This is equals to 80 on this side. Then here, we can write 8 as 2 raised to power 3, which is raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3. This is equals to 80 on this side. Then this power multiplies as well. 3 cancel each other here. We have 2 raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2. Is it equals to 80 on this side? Then here, follow the law of indices. This becomes 2 raised to power 4 times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2. Is equals to 80 on this side? 2 raised to power 4 here, 2 multiply itself 4 times. That's 16 n times. Here follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. At this here we have 5. This is equals to 80 on this side. Then 16 times 5 here give us 80, which is equals to 80 from here. That is, left hand side equals to the right hand side, and therefore we conclude that x equals to 4 plus log 5 is 2 all over 6 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget the steps, subscribe for more videos and turn notification bell. Share this video, give it a thumbs up and put your comment. See you next class and bye for now.